So special thanks to this company for sending us this RC car. This is off-road racing series. You can see here on the bottom a little bit about the product as well as the controller. It does have two AA batteries included. That's awesome. And then on the back are some of the different models, which I'm not entirely certain. Let's see, we got the C14. So yeah, we have this one. So let's open this on up. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me. I love off-road RC cars. So, inside of the box, and other than an instruction manual, that's it for the box. An instruction manual here, kind of telling you everything about it. And then here's the actual. There we go. So here's the RC car. That is the controller for you. That's how you'd turn the wheel. That's probably reverse, and that's forward. You also got your steering alignment here as well, and a nice on-off switch. Love on-off switches. The batteries going right here. You have to remove that little screw, and then you can put your batteries in. Then here's our battery that's included with it. It plugs in right here, and then it looks like that's just kind of pushed back in there, and you have this nice little cover to pop right over the top, like so. Bam. So now it's nicely protected. This is not a, I guess it could actually be taken off and used as a real wheel. But you have shocks in here, really cool. It's just an old school truck. Makes me think of the ones like in the Jurassic Park movies. I don't know why, but that's just what I think of. And then lastly, we've got the charger. This is just a little USB charger, plugs into that battery so you can charge it. And then, oh, look at this. So screwdriver, got a handful of little accessories here. Stickers, extra little parts, more extra little parts, windshield wipers and stuff. All kinds of little parts and screws, screwdriver, you even got mirrors. Look at that, you get to put mirrors on it. So this thing does have some assembly required, as you can tell. Once you get it all together, you'll have a very cool off-roading RC truck. So thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.